अस्सलामुअलैकुम। लाइव डिजिटल न्यूज़ में खुश आमदीद। आपने अब तक हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो सेहत की खबरों से बाखबर रहने के लिए सब्सक्राइब और बेल आइकन को प्रेस करके लाइक भी ज़रूर कर दें।
Daw University FCPS Graduation Ceremony, Karachi. Senior Vice President of the College of Physicians and Surgeons, Pakistan, Professor Dr. Khalid Masood Gondal, while congratulating the students and parents at the FCPS graduation ceremony, said that your greatest charity is the profession of the medicine. A supplication of any suffering patient can brighten your world and the hereafter. He further said that whatever life you lead in the future, make the love of Pakistan the goal of your life. He said this on Saturday evening at the Moeen Auditorium of Daw Medical College of the School of Postgraduate Studies. He conferred degrees to students as chief guest at FCPS graduation ceremony 2023-24. On this occasion, Vice Chancellor DUHS Professor Muhammad Saeed Qureshi, Pro-Vice Chancellors Professor Nazli Hussain and Professor Jahanara Hassan, Registrar Dr. Ashar Afaq, Principal of the School of Postgraduate Studies Professor Sajida Qureshi, Vice Principal Professor Danish Hussain, Principal Daw Medical College Professor Sabah Suhail, Professor Muhammad Masroor, Professor Abdullah Muttaqi and other faculty and staff along with the students and their families graced the event with their presence in his address. Professor Dr. Khalid Masood Gondal further said that Daw University of Health Sciences is the best institute of CPSP in Pakistan. The number of supervisors here is more than 100 and the number of fellows is too very high. While addressing the students, he said that teachers take you to the heights of your career, so respect your parents and teachers is necessary. He further said that the oath that will be taken today is the origin of practical life.
आपने एमबीबीएस किया, एक स्टेज क्रॉस की, फेलोशिप की, एक स्टेज क्रॉस की, जिंदगी की स्टेजेस गुजरती रहेगी, आप इस स्टेज पे आ जाएंगे। कोई प्रिंसिपल होगा, कोई वाइस चांसलर होगा और कोई रिटायर हो जाएगा और फिर आगे का सफर शुरू हो जाएगा। तो याद रखिएगा कि ये जो दुनिया की जिंदगी है, आरजी है, मुख्तसर है, जल्द खत्म होने वाली है।
Later, Vice Chancellor Daw University Professor Muhammad Saeed Qureshi congratulated the postgraduate students and said that you are now a qualified professional. Today marks a defining milestone in your journey. He added, over the years, you have not only mastered complex theoretical knowledge and refined your skills, but you have also learned that medicine is as much an art as it is a science. He further said that you understand that apart from medical skills, the essence of healing lies in trust, compassion, and the care you give to your patients, as important as the treatment you prescribe. Vice Chancellor further said that never let the demands of your duties overshadow the core of your calling, a human connection with your patients. Empathy, understanding, and a genuine desire to improve lives should always be at the heart of your practice. Vice Chancellor said that medicine is ever evolving. Commit to continuous learning and innovation. Stay updated with the latest research. Acquire new skills and always remain a student of your craft. As you embark on this exciting journey, know that you are more than just doctors, you are change makers, healers, and leaders. The world needs your brilliance, compassion, and dedication now more than ever. Earlier, degrees were conferred upon 160 postgraduate fellows at the FCPS Graduation Ceremony 2023-24 at Daw University of Health Sciences, including 26 candidates of general surgery, 64 of surgery and allied, 23 of general medicine, and 47 of medicine and allied disciplines. Meanwhile, Vice Principal, School of Postgraduate Studies, Professor Danish Sen, administered the oath to all postgraduates.
At the time of being admitted, as a member of the health profession, I, Dr. solemnly pledge myself to devote my life to the service of humanity.
Earlier, Principal School of Postgraduate Studies, Professor Dr. Sajda Qureshi, while congratulating the students, said that you have embarked on a journey that is both challenging and rewarding as you embark on the next phase of your career. She said that your journey to this point has been marked by relentless dedication, perseverance, and a commitment to dedication. She appreciated the mutual support of the students, families, and colleagues on this occasion. She also appreciated the efforts of the faculty members whose mentorship is remarkable in the classroom and clinics. She gave tribute to the Vice Chancellor, Professor Mohammad Saeed Qureshi, that all this would not have been possible without your support. Professor Sajda Qureshi further said that, remember that every patient you encounter is a human being who deserve your respect and care. During the ceremony, Vice Chancellor Professor Mohammad Saeed Qureshi presented the shield on behalf of Dow University to the chief guest, Professor Dr. Khalid Masood Gondal, and Dr. Khalid Masood Gondal presented the shield to Vice Chancellor Professor Mohammad Saeed Qureshi on behalf of CPSP. Thank you.